Hi, I'm Beth English, Mayor Pro Tem of the City of Vienna and Chairman of the Board of Trustees for GMA Employee Benefits and Insurance Funds. As a city official, I know the importance of maintaining a strong infrastructure. Our residents and business owners may not often think about the streets they drive on, the sidewalks they walk on, or the water they turn on, but they know that investments in that core infrastructure create their quality of life and support their livelihoods. City officials spend a lot of time and money caring for infrastructure because we know how important it is. Infrastructure critically affects the lives and businesses of people who live in and visit our cities. Like infrastructure, the strength of GMA's retirement, life and health insurance, property and liability insurance, and workers' compensation insurance funds are grounded in solid, long-term and long-lasting investments. The strength of our funds upholds the lives and livelihoods of our city employees, residents, and business owners. These funds support insurance programs that provide for the things we shouldn't have to worry about: having enough money after retirement, excessive medical costs, an accident or a lawsuit financially crippling a city. And unlike traditional insurance companies, the trustees for GMA's funds are all city officials. That means we bring the same philosophy and experience to the funds that we apply to all of our infrastructure. For example, our retirement fund, in a way, serves as income infrastructure that your employees rely on after years of devoting themselves to your city. With 284 members covering more than 40,000 current and former city employees, our fund rests upon $1.8 billion in assets. That's an increase of $961 million in assets since 2008, a period in which there were significant financial market corrections. We grow our fund through smart, conservative, long-term investments. Created in 1965, our long-standing stable fund has given tens of thousands of people peace of mind for 50 years through many highs and lows in the economy and financial markets. Of course, we not only look after our employees when they retire, but throughout the course of their career, making sure that they stay in the best of health. To offer our unusually comprehensive benefits, including 100% coverage on many preventative exams and checkups, we rely on a strong fund with 166 members. With total assets of $35 million, our fund's surplus allows us to subsidize rates so that those rates are more stable for cities over time, helping cities budget more predictably to counter any sharp rises in healthcare costs. It's through the strength of this fund, overseen by city officials, that gives us the ability to significantly reduce expensive medical and prescription drug costs for your employees. We also help cities protect themselves from financial risk through our strong property and liability insurance fund. With 342 members, our total assets of $159 million help keep insurance costs down and even return savings to members. The fund has returned more than $48 million in renewal credits to the membership. Plus, we're always looking at ways to add financial value to cities and protect the overall strength of this fund. In 2014, our personnel helpline saved our members $424,000 in legal fees, and our inmate medical services saved cities $175,000. Last but not least is our Workers' Compensation Fund. The Workers' Comp Fund includes 480 members and $174 million in total assets. Through the strength of this fund, we provide our members an alternative to other workers' compensation plans on the market where you're just a number. The strength of our funds allows us to go far beyond basic workers' compensation coverage, helping you reduce cost, minimize risk, and even connect with funding opportunities for workplace safety efforts. For example, the Risk Management Fund offers opportunities for you to fund the purchase of equipment, receive training, and give you the ability to tackle expensive worker safety and liability initiatives. These funds gave members $518,000 in 2014, and since inception of the grant program, has given members more than $3 million. With these strong funds, like strong infrastructure, members rest upon a financial foundation that takes care of essential employee and business needs. Like those streets, sidewalks, and water, your city may not think about these employee benefit and insurance funds day to day, but they are there during the most critical times. Income when a long-standing employee retires, preventive health care that literally saves lives, insurance that protects cities from expensive on-the-job injuries, property losses, and lawsuits. And as with our infrastructure, our members all use all of these services to better our cities and touch the lives of our people every day. GMA's employee benefits and insurance funds, a vital part of the infrastructure upon which our cities are founded.